Welcome to the Vista 3 by Chroma Q video training series. In this video, we will learn how to program and work with presets. A preset is a stored template of specific features which can be recalled at any time. These are the building blocks of any show, and using them can drastically increase programming speed. If you use presets in your cues, they act as an automatic reference point. For example, let's imagine that you have stored 10 unique stage cues using a singer position preset. If the singer stage position suddenly changes, all you need to do is update a single singer preset, and all of the 10 cues that reference the preset will automatically be updated. Presets can be viewed by selecting the preset's drop-down menu option towards the top left of any Quick Picker window. Here, we will use the Multi-Quick Picker, which, by default, is found underneath the Fixture chooser. Before making a preset, a stage look must be created. Let's select the center two spots, put them at 100% intensity, positioned at the edge of the stage in red and narrow zoom. To create a preset, right-click in the Presets component window and press Create New Preset. We will name this preset Red Front. Vista will automatically calculate which features are currently coming from the active source. Therefore, in this example, Vista automatically stores position, color, and beam information. Intensity isn't selected by default, but it can be added by selecting the Intensity feature. Vista will also calculate whether it can auto-populate the Create Global Values checkbox. If a preset is global, it means that it can be applied to any fixture in the show file, not only the fixtures that it was created on. For the preset created, we shall clear the programmer and select all moving lights. First, we will turn the fixtures on, since intensity wasn't stored within the preset, and press the preset to apply the red stage look to the selected fixtures. Applying presets with fixtures already selected will apply it to those fixtures. However, applying a preset without first selecting fixtures will only apply the preset to the fixtures contained within the preset. Let's create a second preset. We will select 4 spots, and this time put them in 100% cyan, up in the air. Another way to create presets is to press the Component drop-down menu and press New Preset. This action can also be assigned to a function key, and by default is mapped to the green modifier, or the left Alt key on a keyboard, and F7. Let's call this preset Cyan Up. A secondary checkbox option that is available is called Create Fixture Type Values. This option works in a similar way to Global but doesn't apply to all fixtures in your show. It only applies to the exact make and model of fixtures that you are currently creating the preset on. Let's untick Global and select Fixture Type and press OK. Here we can see that this preset is applicable to the spots but is unavailable if any other fixture type is selected. Let's create a third preset. We will position these 4 spots on the singer in yellow. A third way to create presets, and perhaps one of the quickest, is to hold the yellow modifier, or the Control-Command key on the keyboard, and click the plus icon that appears here, or an empty space within the picker. We will call this preset Yellow Singer. If both the global and fixture type boxes are unchecked, the preset will be created for the selected fixtures only. This preset will not be available for the remaining 6 spots. Let's manually position the remaining 6 spots to also be on the singer in yellow. To update a preset, right-click the preset and press Update. A shortcut for this action is to hold the yellow modifier, or Control-Command key on a keyboard, and click the preset. The Update preset window will appear. The default update option is Merge. A merge will add any changes into the existing preset. Replace will store the current events into the preset and delete all other information that was previously contained within it. With the Merge option selected, this will update the third preset to include information for all 10 spots. We now have 3 presets stored: Red Front, Cyan Up, and Yellow Singer, all containing multiple features, namely position, color, and beam. The drop-down box found to the right of the component selection within the Quick Picker is not only a view filter, but also acts as a feature application filter. The filters available are All, Intensity, Position, Color, Gobo, Beam, and Miscellaneous. When selecting color, all of the presets are still available. However, applying a preset when filtered will apply only the color element of the preset. For example, applying red front or cyan up results in only the color being applied, leaving position and beam unaffected. Preset filtering can save time when programming, as it is possible to combine multiple features within a single preset, and depending on where the preset is applied from, achieve varying results. Please note that when creating a new preset from within a filtered component quick picker, only that specific feature will be selected to be stored into the preset by default, even if the source contains additional active features. Vista also has the ability to embed presets into additional presets. Let's create a fourth preset called Band Position. We will select 4 spots and apply the Singer Position preset we have previously created. Next, we will manually focus on additional 4 spots onto the guitarist and bassist, then press Create New Preset and name it Band. If we save and apply the preset, it recalls exactly what was just stored. Now, if we clear the programmer, update the original Singer preset for the 4 center spots, and then apply the Band preset again, this Singer change will automatically be updated in the Band preset because it was created using the Singer preset. Vista's timeline can be used to visualize events that are stored within a preset. Right-click the preset and press Edit from the pop-up menu. Vista will open the preset within its own Edit tab, which is found to the right of the Live tab. The current window will also change from the Fixture chooser to the Timeline view. Here are the 8 position events stored within the Band preset. Programmed events can be edited by selecting them and adjusting the features in the same way that you would create a normal stage look. Events can also be deleted from a preset by right-clicking and pressing Delete from the pop-up menu or by pressing Delete on the keyboard. Right-click a programmed preset event to set it as the Global or Fixture type value. Both Global and Fixture type preset events are found towards the top of the timeline view. Once finished editing presets, click Close to either save your changes or discard them and go back to the original state. So far, we have been creating presets using events coming from a single source, the programmer. On occasion, you may need to record presets that use events from more than the current source. Let's play a previously recorded cue. This cue contains events for intensity, position, and gobo. On top of this, we will add a color in the programmer. Let's create a preset that combines all of these features. When we create a new preset, the default source is to take output from the current cue, which in this example is the Live Programmer tab, which only includes color events right now. You can change the output filter to become All by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Now, Vista will record all selected features coming from the entire console output. Vista has 3 special preset types: Highlight, Lowlight, and Home presets. Let's position the 10 spots at the front of the stage in 50% blue. Vista's highlight function is found within the function key toolbar, or F4 on a keyboard by default. The default highlight preset is the selected fixtures will temporarily be programmed to 100% intensity, and if they can change color, this will also be set to white. This feature can be useful when needing to quickly identify fixtures in the rig or when working on a focus. Once an initial fixture selection is made, you can move forwards and backwards through your selection using the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard or console. The selected fixture will continue to use the highlight preset, but those not currently selected will use the lowlight preset. The default lowlight preset is empty. Both the highlight and lowlight presets can be updated, edited, or reset by selecting the appropriate option from the right-click menu from within a preset component, or by selecting the same menu options from within the main Edit drop-down menu. Let's update the lowlight preset to be 50% blue. We already have this look in our programmer, so to perform the update, we will first turn off the highlight function, then select Lowlight Update from within the right-click preset menu. We would like to store intensity and color, so we can click OK to update the lowlight preset. Let's change the look in the programmer to be 100% red. If we activate highlight, all selected fixtures go to 100% white. But this time, as we step through the current selection, we can now see that the none-selected fixtures reference the lowlight preset, which is 50% intensity and the color blue. As soon as we clear the current fixture selection, the fixtures will return to their programmed state, which in this example is 100% red. When you press Clear or Home, a fixture will return to its home preset, which is defined by the fixture profile by default. We can update these home preset values if you would like a fixture to return to a custom value when pressing Home or Clear. Let's position the spots on the band and update the Home preset. Right-click in the Presets tab and select Home and Update. Check the features that you would like to store and press OK. Now, when we clear or home the fixtures, they no longer return to their fixture profile defaults, but they return to the Show File Home preset we just defined. Highlight, low light, and home values can be reset back to their defaults by selecting Reset from the appropriate menu. To learn more about Vista or to download the free demo software, please visit vistabychromaQ.com.